What is the prime number after 53? 57, 59, 63, 67. The correct answer is 59. What is the most popular nickname for the Eiffel Tower? The City Tower, the Paris Giant, the Steel Queen, the Iron Lady. The correct answer is the Iron Lady. Judo martial art originated in which country? North Korea, South Korea, Japan, Taiwan. The correct answer is Japan. Franz Josef Glacier is a famous natural wonder where lush rainforest meets ice. In which country is it located? New Zealand, Switzerland, Norway, Greece. The correct answer is New Zealand. What do you call a group of sharks swimming together? A shiver, a stubbornness, an aurora, a litter. The correct answer is a shiver. Tony Stark is the real identity of which superhero? Batman, Iron Man, The Flash, Captain America. The correct answer is Iron Man. Which Middle Eastern country is known for having the world's largest oil reserves? Iraq, Iran, United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia. The correct answer is Saudi Arabia. Which animal has the largest brain relative to body size? Elephant, dolphin, ant, gorilla. The correct answer is ant. Which war ended with the Treaty of Versailles? World War II, World War I, Crimean War, Vietnam War. The correct answer is World War I. What is the capital city of Kenya? Nairobi, Lagos, Addis Ababa, Kampala. The correct answer is Nairobi. What is the main gas found in the sun? Oxygen, hydrogen, helium, nitrogen. The correct answer is hydrogen. Which ancient civilization built massive step temples known as ziggurats? Egyptians, Romans, Mesopotamians, Greeks. The correct answer is Mesopotamians. What does DNA stand for? Deoxyribonucleic acid, dynamic nucleic acid, dextrose nitrogen acid, double nucleotide acid. The correct answer is deoxyribonucleic acid. Which city hosted the 2008 Summer Olympics? Tokyo, London, Beijing, Athens. The correct answer is Beijing. Which element is known for being extremely reactive with water? Iron, gold, sodium, neon. The correct answer is sodium.